Hi guys, welcome to 404 Techies. Today we are going to see how to download and install PyCharm in Windows. So first we are going to the official website where we can download the software. So actually we have two versions in PyCharm, that is professional, another one is a community. So professional version is only it is a used for companies. When you work for a company you have to go for a professional version. So since I'm downloading for my personal laptop, I'm going for community version, which is a open source. So click on the download button in this page. So it will download the exe file, so which is 270 MB. So my exe file got downloaded. So clicking on this exe file, clicking on this exe file will give you this pop-up. So I'm giving yes, I'm giving next to continue. So it is asking for the destination folder where you can place the PyCharm software. So since it is in C drive, I'm fine with this. So I'm going next. So I want a desktop shortcut, and then this one if you wanted to open folder as project, and it should the extension of each project should end with .py, and this will default this will default update the path environment variable in our system environment variable. Giving next. So this is install. So my installation is in progress. So our software got downloaded. It is prompting for the restart option. So I wanted to manually reboot later. So I'm giving this option, and so I'm clicking on the desktop shortcut for PyCharm. If you're downloading PyCharm for the second time, this pop-up will come. So this is basically whether you wanted to import the previous settings available on the PyCharm. So since I'm downloading it for a second time, this pop-up has come. So I do not want to go for the previous settings. So I'm just clicking on the option do not import settings. I'm giving OK. So we have two theme. If you want for a dark window, you can give a Darkula. I'm going for light window, so I'm clicking on light, giving skip remaining and set default. So this in this option we are giving create new project. So here what the project name we have to give, I'm giving as Python project. My Python. So giving the project name as my Python project. So here we have the option to choose the environment. So the Python, while we are downloading Python, the virtual environment comes. So but I'm not choosing the virtual environment here. We have three environment: virtual environment, pip environment, and conda environment. So basically, if you're Python beginner, I will not suggest you to go for these environments. So I'm opting for existing environment. So existing environment, since I've already used virtual environment, this drop down is filled. So you can go here, go to these three dots, and you have virtual environment, system interrupter. You can go for the system interrupter. So this interrupter will be helpful for the Python beginners. I'm clicking on OK. Okay, then create. So this is my project, my Python project. So this is the lookup for a PyCharm IDE. So this is my project, my Python projects. I'm clicking on this drill down. I'm getting all the library files and the packages. and everything. So if you see here, this is a terminal window. So terminal window is basically if you are writing any Python project in command prompt, the same way you can write it here also. In this Python console, you can view the output in the Python console here. So this is and then the special variables, what are the variables we are assigning, we can view it here. So this is a look of our PyCharm IDE for today's video. So in the next video we shall see how to create our first project in PyCharm. Thank you. Bye.